I hate it when you do ugly faces. Smile. That's over excess. Really. Silly. Hurry up, people, before it starts raining again. I don't think it'll rain anymore. Ay, those people across the street are such hoarders. Look at that mess. Gross. You just see their front porch. Disgusting. Lexi, he filled it.
Leo, be careful. You okay?
See, he's done.
Grandma. Twinkle, Leo, hot got a bird.
What are you eating?
Lollipop,
Oh, lollipop.
a heart, a shake.
Valentine, huh?